How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a review on our Bostitch air stapler. This is an 18 gauge stapler. I have a couple other guns that are actually the same brand as this one here. We have the framing nailer and we have a brad nailer. I thought this stapler would be a good tool to have here at the shop, especially with all the projects we got coming up, having to do all these window frames and stuff. I think the stapler will hold up better. So when you get your kit, you get a really nice hard case for your gun to rest in, and that's really nice because you want to protect your gun from getting damaged while it's out actually laying around. If you keep it in the case, it's not going to get damaged. It makes sense. Your kit comes with basically just your gun, and it comes with an owner's manual. And I would suggest going over your owner's manual. There's a lot of good stuff in here that definitely help you out. So go over your owner's manual. We're going to get started. I'm going to tell you what I know about the gun itself right now. I know that this gun will take anywhere between a 1/2 inch staple to an 1.5 inch staple. So that gives you a good amount of projects that you can work on. I mean, that's a lot of, you can put flooring down, subflooring, different things you can do with this gun. We need it for framing or trim work in the house. So I think this is going to come in really handy. So we're going to go over the gun as much as we can, like I said, and give you as much information on this gun as we possibly can. Let's get started. So one nice thing about your gun is it only weighs about 3 pounds. I mean, I can hold this thing all day long. That's actually pretty light. You have a belt holder right here on the side, which has a little knob you can push right here. You see that? You can push this and slide this off. You can slide it off, and if you're left-handed, you could flip it over, push your little knob again, and slide it on for left or right-handed. We'll go over this little piece right here just a little bit to show you some about it. It actually is a pencil sharpener. You can slide your pencil in here and sharpen your pencil. And that really comes in handy on a job site. It also comes with a small tool inside here if you ever have to tear it apart or pull it apart for some reason. Your tool is right in there, and that kind of snaps right into place there. We'll put this back on our nailer just by squeezing that lever right there. You can pull this on and off. Okay, this is a 1 3/8 staple that I'm going to be using in this gun. You can see this is an 1 3/8 from here. This top curvature here is 7/32, and I'm going to show you how to put them in your gun. When you get your gun, you'll see a knob right here, a button. All you have to do is squeeze this and then grab the bottom and slide it out. You want to make sure your curvature is up in, like so. Now to check to see if you have staples in your gun, buy this right here. Nice little window there to show you if you have staples in your gun. This would be your trigger. There's a little knob in here. You can see this little knob. You can turn this little knob. That's for the depth of your staple. You can adjust the depth of your staple. You have a little knob right here. If you turn it straight down and you see a bunch of nails there, staples, the faster you push, you pull the trigger, and the faster you push this bottom piece, you can nail. It's like a rapid nail. Or you can twist it up, and then every time you pull the trigger, it will put a nail in. That's for pulling the trigger. This one down here is for holding the trigger. And I'll show you how that works here in just a bit. If you turn your gun over, you see your little tip here, little protective tip. You also have a spare right here. I say we give this thing a try. Okay, we have the air hose here. All you have to do is pull back on this piece and plug it in. Now my little piece here is kind of worn out, so I got some air coming out of it, but we'll do our best to speak loud enough so you can hear us. I'm running 90 pounds of air on my hose. We're going to put it on where we have to pull the trigger. We'll put it on here where we have to pull the trigger to make it nail. You can see I'm pulling the trigger. Now, if we turn it to rapid, we're going to pull and hold the trigger in. We're just going to pull the trigger and hold it and bump it. Those nails are nice in there. They're not coming out. Them staples are definitely holding tight. It's a pretty nice little gun, like I said, and it's very light. I really like these guns. I do have 2 guns just like this. I have the framing nailer, and I also have the brad nailer. I have had no issues with them anytime with anything. That's why I like this brand. So if you're interested in one of these guns, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. You'll be able to go down there and click on it and purchase this gun from Amazon if you'd like. I, being an Amazon associate, I do get a small commission off of qualifying purchases, and that does help out the channel. So I'd like to tell everyone thanks for using them links down below. I also have an Amazon store. If you haven't seen it yet, go down and click on my Amazon store. I have tons of videos down there, lots of entertainment. If you're interested in anything, I would really appreciate it if you'd use those links. I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.